Hello everyone, myself Manisha Acharya and I'm legal intern at Lexis & Company. Today I'm here to talk to you about the topic contempt of court in India. So what would have happened if there were no contempt of court law? Then any person at any time can say wrong about the Supreme Court, High Court and other courts, which would have led to disrespect of the justice giving system. People's faith on judicial system will start fading. So to avoid all these, the contempt of court law was brought in India. Does saying anything about the court, if we tweet anything about the court and we disagree any judgment of the court, does it is said as to be the contempt of the court? We will find out all these answers today. In this year, the case for contempt of court was held against the stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra for his tweet. In his tweet, he tweeted about the Supreme Court of India and Justice S.A. Bobde. The Attorney General Venugopal also showed his consent that against him there should be a proceeding held for contempt of court. And other example is of Prashant Bhushan, who is a lawyer and activist too. Against him also contempt of court proceeding were held, as in his tweet he talked and comment about CJI, S.A. Bobde and Supreme Court. And due to this only, Supreme Court imposed Rs 1 rupee fine on him, and it was said that if in case he won't pay the fine, he would have been punished for 3 months in jail, and with that for 3 years his practice would have been banned. So what is contempt of court? Means to show disrespect or to say disrespectful word against the courts. This definition was brought in Contempt of Court Act 1971. This act divides the contempt of court into two parts. First is civil contempt. Section 2, Clause B of Contempt Act talk about it. Let us assume that court gave the order to the petitioner that you have to pay fine of Rs 10,000 in any case, and the petitioner denied the order. This will be treated as civil contempt. So civil contempt means willfully disobeying any judgment, decree or order of the court. Punishment prescribed in this section is imprisonment for 6 months and have to pay Rs 2,000. Criminal court contempt. Section 2, Clause C of the Contempt Court Act talks about it. When we write or speak any disrespectful or publish word against any court or court authorities is known as criminal contempt of court. For example, in court there is a person who is talking very loudly and police stop him by saying not to do so, but the person do not listen to the police. This will be held under criminal court contempt, or we can say this will be held under contempt of court, as this will be the interference with administration of justice. Punishment for the criminal court contempt is also 6 months imprisonment in jail and 2,000 rupees to be fined. So the proceeding held against the Kunal Kamra and Prashant Bhushan was under criminal contempt of court, as the word used were disrespectful and were harming the dignity of court. For punishing in matter of contempt of court, power is in hand of judges only. So I hope you have understood the topic, what is contempt of court and when it can be imposed. So for more such topics, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do like, share and comment. Thank you.